पाक को और साथ ही लगे बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर दें मजीद मज़ेदार वीडियो देखने के लिए।
Excuse me, sir. I'm Chinese and I'm here for traveling. And I just lost my wallet.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you borrow me 200 rupees to get back to my hotel?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Let me see. Where you are going now?
The sector 7. Here is my hotel address.
7071. What did you do?
Just for traveling here. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, 200.
Enough?
Yeah, enough. Okay.
No. Don't worry.
I can hire a taxi for you. It's very close.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Yeah. Excuse me, madam. Can you speak English?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm Chinese and I'm here for traveling, but I've lost my wallet. I need to go back to my hotel now. Can you borrow me 200 rupees?
But I don't have it. Okay, wait. I will.
Give me 1 second.
Okay. It's very kind of you. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. And
Okay, don't worry.
We have very high reviews about China and Chinese people here. Actually, my husband has just gone to China. He just landed in China right now.
You're a friendly country. Pakistan, every Pakistani believes with China. So I think.
Okay. Thank you for your kindness. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Chinese and I'm here for traveling, but I just lost my money. Can you borrow me 200 rupees to get a taxi?
Where do you want to go?
We can book a ride for you to go over there. Do you know the address?
Yeah, I have the address.
200 or
200 is okay.
That's it?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
I can drop you there as well if you.
Oh, no, thank you.
I have 150. Otherwise, I have 500.
Oh, it's 500. It's too much.
In case, like, if you need my number, you need anything from my side, like, I'll always be there for you.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. I'm Chinese and I'm here for traveling, but I just lost my wallet. Can you borrow me 200 rupees to get back to my hotel? Yes. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much.
We are students. We can like 50-50.
Yes.
50-50.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm actually really happy to help you. Chinese people, they're very good people.
We have a very great relationship with China, so 200 rupees, this will make that. So it's not
Yes.
basically.